Hello, lovely. It's me, Dr. Purcell, just popping in with a hearty, healthy, heartwarming soup recipe for you for the winter season. I just want to do a recap about soup because it is so very nutritious for us. It is best to make your own soup because with so many store-bought soups, they can be filled with extra ingredients that just aren't necessary. Things like wheat, dairy, yeast, gluten, soy, etc. So let's do a recap here of some of the greatest things about a bowl of warm soup. First and foremost, immune boosting. Hydrating, great way to get your fluids in. Also, it is a great way to get your veggie intake in because a big bowl of soup can take the place of 2 servings of vegetables during the day. It helps warm the body from the inside out, and soup is very easy to digest. So it's great for people with digestive issues who have trouble eating raw vegetables. Soup can be anti-inflammatory based on how you make it. It tends to be low in calories, very high and rich in nutrition, and super good for batch cooking. So you could always freeze some and then have it the next week. So I have a great recipe for you below. Just give it a whirl and let me know how you like it. If you're looking for more healthy recipes, you can check out our other blogs or posts and find me on the web at www.drandreapurcell.com. Stay warm and be well.